Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to gain 100% battle point on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you already log in into your Mobile Legends account, and then if you already log in, you can go to your inventory or backpack menu. Click over here, and then over here you can choose the item with victory BP card. Okay, victory battle point card. So if you use this item, you will gain 100% battle points for the next victory. So if you want to save battle point for by hero or roll the lucky spin, you can use this item to make your battle point gain 100%. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.